Ladies and gentlemen, I seem to have come across an issue. I know it's surprising me coming across another one. I am building a third Apollo. I already have two. Let's confirm they exist. So we're going to here's one Apollo. It's a brand new baby. This one has two PLAX 2, 4 Buzzard missiles, and it also has 4 Trident missiles. They're all at R15. Plus we have Agility 2, Accelerator, also at R15. The Agility 2 isn't. Engines 3, which I believe is at R13. And we have the extender. Now we're going to check the other one, which is right here. See, my intention is to build them all the same. That way they all operate the same. As you can see, that has the same equipment. Now, as you can see up here, it shows the total weight for this hull at this time is 6,576 tons because it has no armor. So my intention is to build a third. Let's cover some bases here. First of all, my objectives are presently at 5. I'm cooking on 6 right now. And it's confirmed that my dock is an R12. It's at 12. Level down, level 12. And my yard is level 3. Let's go on the ship design here. Here's the hull I'm building. You can see it says 6,576 tons out of 8,540. My intention now is, because it's fast, but I want to make it faster. So I go in here to ours, and the best thing to make it faster would be to use this right here, the D4V armor. And it clearly shows that it weighs 389 tons, gives me 5% bonus combat speed, and so forth and so on. So I apply this onto the hull, and by a strange thing that happens, it jumps to 6,999 tons. Now, according to my calculator, it should actually be at 6,965 tons. Because if it's 6,999 tons, then the armor doesn't weigh 389 tons, it actually weighs 423 tons, a difference of 34 tons. Now, why is there an increase of 34 tons when clearly it shows it's 389 tons? Because my intention is to put 5 pieces of this armor on this hull. That'll bring it to a total of 8,521 tons total ship weight, which is well under the 8,540 tons that is capable for this hull. Now, why is this, when applied to the hull, coming out 34 tons overweight? Now, I've seen other videos in on other issues, and I've heard individuals tell me, well, why don't you check it on Huggies? Okay, let's do that. Here we go. We're now on Huggies. Let's move the screen up here so you guys can see everything. Here's the same hull. Same equipment. Everything's on there. It's on the other hull. You can see we have the dock at 12. We have the yard at 3. We have the R&D level at level 5. And you can see that the hull is also 6,576 tons total weight. So let's add the armor and see what happens. And it is right there. No, that's the wrong one. It's in here somewhere. I know it is. There you are. And we can see it clearly shows it's 1,750 armor. Weight is 389 tons. Combat speed plus 5. Everything's set. Let's apply it. Oh my gosh, ladies and gentlemen, if you notice, it does the exact same thing that it does on the Kicksite website, which is why I keep telling people I don't use Huggies, because Huggies gets their information directly from you guys, and you guys give them that information. Now, if this is jacked up on ours, then it's going to be jacked up on this, and as you can clearly see, it is jacked up. 6999, 6999. 389 tons, 389 tons. yet it's not 389 tons. It comes out to be 423 tons. Why is there a difference in the weight? Because I can't put all 5 of them on here according to what this says, because if you put 5 of them on here, because it says I can, at 389 tons. I love this game, I tell you. Yeah, I'm clicking on the armor to put on another one. I'm going to put on another one. As you can see now we're at 724 tons. That's 68 tons overweight. And there's another one. What's that? 2 tons overweight. There's the fourth actually. We're right there at the edge, ladies and gentlemen. Now, putting this at 389 tons, should be able to squeeze it on there, right? Nope, it shows that 8,693 tons. That's total. You get the calculator here. Confirm it. We've got 34 times 5 is 170 tons. Let's check this out, just for the heck of it. At 80, 6, 93, okay? Minus 170 tons. Hang on a second, I'm trying to do this in the dark. You guys can figure it out real quick. 170 tons equals, yep, 8523. Within the range, but it's still under the maximum weight. So why is there a difference in the weight between what it states and what it's applied to? This is also going on the website of Kixeye and so forth with the other issues which I've had. I'm going to send this in and I'd like an answer on why it's not applying properly. If it says 389 tons, it should be 389 tons. But to build this hull anyway, because it matches the other ones, but I want this issue corrected. If it says 389, it's supposed to be 389. And we've got video evidence that it says 389.